rising numbers just part of the story. To really halt the spread, we have to find out where people have been before they got sick.
It's called contact tracing, and the effort so far in South Florida has been minimal. But as CBS 4's Ty Russell reports, changes are coming.
Broward leaders announced Friday they have a plan to add more COVID-19 contact tracers. They investigate where a person got the virus and who may have been exposed. State Representative Chevron Jones in the southeastern part of the county says he got a call a day after he tested positive at the beginning of the month.
When I did get the phone call, the contact tracer, I kid you not, you can tell she wasn't trained. You can tell she was reading off of a questionnaire. And as she was reading off of that questionnaire, she didn't know what follow-up questions to ask.
The lawmaker says the call was even disconnected and his phone didn't ring again. After expressing his frustration on Twitter, an epidemiologist got on the phone with them.
I can only imagine what's happening to other people if they are even getting called, because I know there are people who have been who have coronavirus now who have not received a call from the department.
The state didn't respond to our questions. South Florida is seeing an increase in people testing. This is a site in Miami Beach, but the positivity rates show the virus is spreading more. Currently, Broward has 150 tracers making phone calls to investigate. And get this, Thursday alone, the county added 1,600 new cases, and 15% of the results that came back Thursday were positive. So the Federal CARES Act is funding an additional 167 workers to make calls in Broward. The state will pay for 450 more in the county, and that'll bring the total to 767 tracers in Broward.
It's a fairly simple interview where they might ask, who do you live with and who have you been in contact with? And that's pretty much the extent of it.
Florida International University psychology professor Jacqueline Evans is researching ways to improve the contact tracing program.
You need to ask people the question more than once and in more than one way. So for example, I might ask you, who do you live with? But then I also want to know, well, who did you have contact with at social events? Who did you have contact with at work?
She's also researching to see if the program can work online and how to ask the right questions to children and seniors to help them remember where they were and who they've been around. The contact tracers will be working out of the War Memorial Auditorium near Sunrise off of US 1 for now until another county facility is ready. And the mayor says more than half the people contacted so far say they got the virus at a home gathering. In Fort Lauderdale, I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.